Hi, everyone, and welcome back to 5 Minute Family Search. So here we are on the Eternal Reminder page, and we are going to go ahead and enter in one of my ancestors who is going to be turning 110 next year in 2018. So what I can do is I'm on their home page. I can either come up here to New Reminder, or I can come down here to Get Started Now, and they're both going to take me to the same place. So when I click Get Started Now, there is a message here looking for an easier way to add reminders. Try using the Chrome extension. So what that means is the Chrome extension has been set up so that you can quickly just click on their little icon when you're in your family tree, and it'll take you directly into this eternal reminder without having to get out of that family search program. So let me show you how that works. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on it. I've already added it, but it's going to tell me to go ahead if I want to. So if I click download now, it's going to download the extension, and it's going to put, if you can see up here at the top of my screen, this little icon right here that says Eternal Reminders. It puts that up at the top of my computer. So what happens is then when I'm on Family Search and I can actually use that extension, it will light up and let me know that it can work for me and make the process easier for me. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. I'm going to come back here and I am going to type in my ancestor's ID. And so it's LVTH 8YM, and I'm going to click Verify. And when I do, it brings me here and it says Paul Revere Risher, and we can see he was born August 31 of 1908 to January 7. He passed away 1976. That's actually our anniversary, but not 1976, but the January 7. And so I can just come down here and I can click Add Reminder. So now that is active, and it will go ahead and send me an email when that August 31st comes around next year. And so another way that I can do this is I can come over here to my screen here, and I'm over in Family Search, and this is how I found him. I saw Paul Revere Risher, and when I went, I see this green temple and I get excited because I think I can actually do his work. And so I'll click on that, and it says permission required. So if I say show details, it'll tell me that church policy states that you must be either one of the closest living relatives, or you must obtain permission from one of the closest living relatives to perform this temple work. So I knew that I wasn't able to do that. If I come up here and click on Eternal Reminder, I can just type in his number, that LVTH8YM. I can type that in right here and click Add Reminder. So I don't have to keep bouncing back and forth between the two screens, the Eternal Reminder screen and the Family Search screen. I can just go ahead and I can say that I want to use that extension. And so that just makes it a lot easier for me when I am putting in these reminders to remind me that I have this relative here, Paul Revere Risher, who will be turning 110 next year, and I can go ahead and do his temple work for him. But if you ever do see in a program, and I'll show you some other programs as well, that have these little icons here for the extensions, they just make the work for you so much easier. But this is the program. Again, it's called Eternal Reminder. It's very, very, very easy to use, as you can see. And again, you don't have to keep recording down all of those individual numbers. You can just put it in this file here, and they will send you an email when your ancestor's date has come up that they have reached 110 years since birth.